Hey you guys, it is almost Christmas and these are the coolest LED Christmas lights that you can use indoor, outdoor, and you won't believe how easy it is to just plug these in and have so many Christmas lights. And really they're more holiday because they're just kind of like snowflakes, so it's very festive and seasonal and something you can use all winter long and regardless of what holiday you're celebrating. They're really, really nice. So this is the actual lighting unit. And you can see the plug, like the cord is really, really long. If you do it outside, you're gonna wanna put this like 10 to 15 feet away from your house because that'll make it a lot bigger and that way you'll have lights on the entire screen of your house. So it's got a lot of cord for that. And you'll see this part just snaps in and then screws like that. So it's really easy. You will have a couple options for your bases. One is a stake that you can put in the ground outside, or this one is a base that you would use indoor, or you could also use it outside if you want something more stable and permanent. It's got holes for screws, so you can screw it like maybe on a deck or something like that. And this piece is what's going to connect the lighting unit to whichever base you decide you want to use. And it has this, like, you can screw and adjust the angle right here. So you can like do it more this way or more that way, depending on which way you want the lights to angle themselves. You have your remote too, so you can control it. It's got a lot of different 2-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour function. The default function, I believe, is it plays for 6 hours and then turns off for 18. So it's really nice. You set it up and you just have lights on at night at the right times, and then they go off during the day. So it's energy saving too, and you don't have to think about it and remember it. It's got all your screws if you need to put that base on the ground, and then these two small screws right here hook into here to put your lighting unit on whatever base you choose. I am going to use this one for now because we are inside, and it just screws right on, like screwing this on. I'm going to just set this on here for now. Normally I would put the 2 screws in there, but this is just to show you guys. And I'm gonna plug it in. And here we go. Check it out. Lights, I'm gonna turn this light off if I can find it. Boop. Lights everywhere. It's Christmas time. It's really, really, really amazing. Loving this product.